Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to calculate the number of days until an expiration date in Excel. If you've ever needed to track deadlines, warranties, or anything with an end date, this is going to be super helpful. In this video, we'll cover a couple of easy methods. We'll look at the basic subtraction method, and then we'll spice things up with the today function to make things dynamic. And of course, we'll touch upon formatting so your expiration dates look exactly how you want them. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's understand the basic principle. Excel treats dates as numbers. Specifically, it counts the number of days since January 1st, 1900. So to find the difference between two dates, we can simply subtract one from the other. Let's say you have an expiration date in cell A2. For example, let's put December 31st, 2024 in A2. Now in cell B2, we can simply enter the formula equals A2 today. Hit enter, and there you have it. The number of days between today and December 31st, 2024. Now you might be wondering, wait, why today? Well, today is a built-in Excel function that automatically returns the current date. So by subtracting today from the expiration date, we're getting the number of days until that date. The today function is key because it will update automatically, so your calculation is always up to date. If you just want to subtract from a specific date rather than today, then simply replace the today function with that date in the same format as your expiration date. For example, equals A2-October 27th, 2023. Now, about formatting. Your result might show up as a weird number or a different date format. To fix this, right-click on the cell containing the formula, B2 in our example, and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab, and under Category, select General. This should display the result as a number. If you want to get fancy, you can add some conditional formatting to highlight expiration dates that are approaching quickly. Select the column with the number of days remaining. Then go to Conditional Formatting on the Home tab. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then Less Than. In the dialog box, you can enter a number, like 30, to highlight dates expiring in less than 30 days. Experiment with different colors and thresholds to find what works best for you. This makes those impending expirations really pop. So that's it. You've now learned how to calculate the number of days until an expiration date in Excel. You can use this technique for tracking project deadlines, warranty periods, or even how long it is until your next vacation. Hopefully, this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials from Fix Zone. Thanks for watching.